6 easy and healthy lunch or dinner recipes. Today we're making 6 healthy and easy, home-cooked dishes that the whole family will love. And perfect for any meal. Each dish is simple, nutritious. Number 1. Egg stuffed bell pepper. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 4-5 bell peppers, 1 cucumber. Steps: 1. Cut the tops off the bell peppers and remove the seeds. 2. Beat the eggs in a bowl. 3. Pour the egg mixture into the hollowed chili peppers. 4. Boil water in a pot and cook the stuffed chilies for about 10 minutes. 5. Slice a cucumber into thick rounds. 6. Slice the egg peppers. Serve with chili sauces, cucumber on the side. Number 2. Scallion fried tofu. Ingredients: 1 piece of firm tofu, 4 green onions, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, starch. Steps: 1. Chop the green onions. 2. Mix the soy sauces, oyster sauce, and sugar in a bowl. 3. Cut the tofu into bite-sized pieces and pat dry. 4. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat and fry the tofu until golden brown, about 5 minutes. 5. Add the sauce and green onions, cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes. 6. Serve warm with rice or noodles. Number 3. Stuffed cabbage rolls. Ingredients: 1 head of cabbage, 200 grams minced meat, pork, chicken or beef, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 2 green onions chopped. Steps: 1. Remove the core and peel off cabbage leaves. 2. Blanch the leaves in boiling water for 30 seconds. 3. Mix minced meat with soy sauce and green onions. 4. Place a spoonful of the mixture on each leaf and roll it up. 5. Steam for about 10 minutes until cooked through. 6. Drizzle with soy sauce before serving. Number 4. Egg and green bean. Stir-fry ingredients: 200 grams green beans, 4 eggs, salt and chicken essence, optional. Steps: 1. Trim and cut green beans into small pieces. 2. Stir-fry beans in oil until tender, about 5 minutes. 3. Season with salt and chicken essence. 4. Beat eggs in a bowl and pour over cooked beans, scrambling until cooked through. 5. Serve immediately with rice or noodles. Number 5. Steamed tofu and eggs. Ingredients: 1 block of silken tofu, 3 eggs, salt and pepper to taste, minced meat, optional. Steps: 1. Mash the silken tofu in a bowl. 2. Beat eggs with salt and pepper in a separate bowl. 3. Mix tofu and eggs together. 4. Pour into a heat-proof dish. Cover with plastic wrap. Make holes for steam. 5. Steam for about 10 minutes until set. Optionally, stir-fry minced meat with chopped red pepper and your favorite sauce till it's well cooked. Top on steamed tofu egg to serve. Number 6. Spinach and egg delight. Ingredients: 6 eggs, salt, 200 grams fresh spinach, starch optional. Steps: 1. Wash spinach and blanch in boiling salted water for 25 seconds. Then cool in ice water. Squeeze out excess water and chop. 3. Whisk eggs with salt and optional starch for fluffiness. 4. Mix in chopped spinach. 5. Pour into a steaming dish and steam for about 15 minutes until set. 6. Serve with a dipping sauce of soy sauce, vinegar, and chili oil. Happy cooking!